Now to a disturbing story involving a VA hospital in West Virginia where a patient died after being given a drug he did not need. His death was ruled a homicide. The VA Inspector General and Justice Department are investigating. And Jeff Pegues reports there are allegations that other patients may have died the same way.
On April 6, 2018, 82-year-old Vietnam veteran Felix McDermott was admitted to the Lewis A. Johnson VA Medical Center in Clarksburg, West Virginia, with pneumonia. He was improving when suddenly, 3 days later, he was dead. According to this claim filed with the Department of Veterans Affairs by his family, no one at the hospital explained what happened to McDermott. But an autopsy performed months later came to this shocking conclusion. McDermott, who had never been diagnosed with diabetes, was injected with a fatal dose of insulin. His death was ruled a homicide. Lawyer Tony Odell says 9 or 10 other patients met the same fate.
They all seemed to have the sudden hypoglycemic event that was unexpected and unexplained, and then they passed and died.
The Johnson VA Medical Center says it is cooperating fully with the federal investigation, which does not involve any current employees. West Virginia Senator Joe Manchin says the investigation has identified a person of interest.
When someone basically was willing to sacrifice their life, and then we found out that their life was taken in such a horrific fashion, it's hard for us to imagine.
Hard to imagine for a family who now says the VA failed in its duty. Jeff Pegues, CBS News, Washington.